Hello everyone. Now here you have to get the hairs and then beautifully tuck them with the help of these such clips, and then with the help of the strings you need to attach it further in this manner. You need to secure it in this way and then keep on crisscrossing it in this manner, and you have to secure it beautifully from one end to another end, and this is gonna look amazing. Isn't it cool? Keep on proceeding. Now here again you have to get a round bun made, and then you need to just make the pleats around. Now here with the help of these pleats that you have created, you have to make a beautiful bun. Tuck them with the help of these beautiful bun shape, and this is gonna look amazing. Now here with the help of these hair bands, you need to just get the pretty strings and then convert it into a pleat like this on either side, and then you need to join the hair further and keep on making a beautiful lovely patterns like this and the hairstyle in this manner. Isn't it cool? I hope you guys have enjoyed.